The best Shopify apps aren't always the ones that are being advertised. Since 2012, one company has quietly built over 10 apps used by more than 90,000 merchants, including some of the biggest brands in the world. No big marketing push, no influencer program, just really good tools that solve real store problems. I went through every one that they built so you don't have to, and I have a few that are going to go straight into your own tech stack. Hi, my name is Doc Williams from XRAY, the workflow company, and today I want to introduce you to ShopPad. So the first question is, what is ShopPad? Well, this is a company that has been around since 2012, and their whole thing is building apps for Shopify store owners, people like you and me. What makes them different is the scale. They've helped over 90,000 merchants around the world, and their clients include Tesla, General Electric, Fashion Nova, Stanford University, and Build-A-Bear, to name a few. These aren't small stores experimenting with a random plugin. These are major brands, and they chose ShopPad's tools to run their stores. That tells you something. And the best part, each application is built for your needs. So if it's automation, if you're looking at different tracking for your packages, the list goes on, you can pick the different apps that work for your business, and then you can pick the subscription that works for you. So let me walk you through a few of the apps that I really like and why they're worth your time. First up, Mesa. This one I'm most excited about. Mesa is their automation tool, built specifically for Shopify. Think of it like Zapier, but designed from the ground up for e-commerce. The things you do every day in your store. That would be like processing orders, sending emails, updating inventory, tagging customers. Mesa can handle all of those things and got you covered automatically. No code, no developer. You set it up once and it runs. For business owners who are spending hours on repetitive tasks, this is where I would start. If you're a Shopify store owner and need help with your tech stack, click the link down below to get help from an expert. That's what we do here at XRAY Hourly to help you with your business. And by the way, we offer free discovery calls right now. Next up, let's talk about Tracktor. This one adds real-time tracking directly inside your store. This way, your customers can look up their order status without ever emailing your support team. If you've ever had a week where half of your inbox is, "Where's my order?" This fixes it. Less support tickets, happier customers, that's a win. App number 3, Infinite Options. This one lets your customers customize products before they buy. Colors, sizes, custom text, engravings, bundling products together. Shopify's built-in product options are pretty limited. This allows you to expand it. If you sell anything that has variations or customizations, this is a tool you need to know about. And number 4, Page Studio. Now this is a drag and dropper. Think about trying to build a landing page or campaign pages or a specific custom product page. You can do this visually without coding. If you've ever wanted to build a beautiful page for a launch or a promo, but felt too overwhelmed or needed to hire a dev, this is the answer. Out of all the different options we've reviewed, let me know in the comment section down below, which one do you want to try out? And tell me, what kind of business are you running? And if you like videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. We do this every single week.